Python and network beats 7th class. Python contains 40 questions, network contains 40 questions. First, write your answer, then come to the solution part. Pause the video, write your answer. This one contains 1 to 11 questions. Pause the video, write your answer. Then, this is your 12 to 21 questions. Pause the video, write your answer. 22 to 24. Then this is 25 to 30. This is 31 to 40 question. Okay. Then come to the solution part. Range of int data type. Range of int data type is 2,147,483,648 to same thing in plus symbol. This is minus symbol, this is plus symbol. Dash is a named location memory. Variable is a named location in memory. Dash is also known as reserve word. Keyword is also known as reserve word. Dash function is used to display the result. Print function is used to display the result. Dash function is used to display the data type. Type function is used to display the data type. The smallest individual unit of a program is known as token. The variable used in operation is called dash. The variable used in operation is called operand. See this one. This is variable A plus B. A plus B, operand. Operand is your A and B is your operand. This is A and B operand. And operator plus is your operator. Dash is a symbol. Operator is a symbol which is used to do some operation. Dash is a value that does not change during a program execution, constant or literal. True, false is dash literal, boolean literal. In dash mode, we cannot delete the question after the answer gets script mode. The symbol of the interactive mode is dash. This is the symbol of the interactive mode. In interactive mode, this is the left side symbol. Dash key is used to run the program. Run the program, enter F5. Dash key means F5. Dash key is used to run the program F5. Dash operator compares two data. Comparison operator, that is known as relational operator. In Python, for addition, dash symbol is used plus 15. This is float division. In float division, this is integer. 15 divided by 7 is 7 2 ja 14. Question part only, so 2. This is 2 and this is decimal part also. 15 divided by 7 is 2 point something. This is your a dash word cannot be used. This is your float division is only integer part and this is only forward slash is your decimal or fractional division. A dash word cannot be used as variable name. Keyword cannot be used as variable name. Python is a dash level programming language, high level. There are two types of programming language, high level and low level. Python is a high level programming language. Python is a dash oriented programming language, object oriented programming language. Dash language is the parent language of Python, APC. Python is a dash independent programming language, platform independent. It can run on any platform operating system. Dash type is used to specify the type of value stored in the computer's memory. Dash type, data type is used to specify. Data type means int, float, string. These are. Dash is an output statement, print. Dash operator is used to enter data values. Dash operator is used to enter data values. Assignment operator, equal is the assignment operator. The data type of data inputted by the input function is dash. Data type of the data. Data type of the data inputted by the input function is dash. This is string, means input enter a number or input a. तो a इज ए स्ट्रिंग. यहाँ पे इनपुट लिखोगे और यहाँ पे मैं लिख रही हूँ, देखिए लिखिए, मैं यहाँ पे लिखूँगी इनपुट ब्रैकेट में सिर्फ a. तो यहाँ पे a का वैल्यू मैं जो भी दूंगी वो स्ट्रिंग में बोलेगा. अगर 5 दूंगी तो स्ट्रिंग मिलेगा. ठीक है. इनपुट a मीन्स a में जो भी वैल्यू हम देंगे और स्ट्रिंग में लेगा. Dash converts assembly language to machine language assembler. There are 3 types of translator: compiler, interpreter, assembler. Assembler converts assembly language to machine language. Assembly language uses dash code, mnemonic code. Machine language consists of 2 digits dash and dash, 0 and 1. Dash symbol is used for exponent, double asterisk symbol. Exponent means 2 to power 3. अगर 2 to power 3 लिखना है तो कैसे लिखोगे? देखो, अगर हमें 2 to power 3 लिखना है, यहाँ पे 2 to power 3 लिखना है तो कैसे लिखूंगे मैं? 2 double asterisk symbol 3. That means this is your 2 to power 3. Assembly language is dash generation language, second generation language. Assembly language is second generation language. Machine level is first generation language. High level language is third generation language. Error in the Python program is known as dash error, syntax error. Error due to grammar is known as syntax error. Literals are also called as constant. Character literals are enclosed within dash code, single quote. Character literal single quote. That means यहाँ पे कैरेक्टर लिटर क्या होगा? ए में अगर सिंगल कोट देंगे तो ये कैरेक्टर लिटर हो गया. 1 में सिंगल कोट दिया तो ये भी कैरेक्टर लिटरल हो गया. इक्वल सिंबल में सिंगल कोट दिया तो ये भी कैरेक्टर लिटरल. एनी सिंबल, डिजिट, लेटर, स्पेशल सिंबल्स, अल्फाबेट, एनी सिंबल कोटेड विथ सिंगल कोट, enclosed within single quote is known as character literal. String literals are enclosed within dash quote, double quote, triple quote also. True is a dash literal, boolean literal. True, T capital, T must be capital. Boolean literal, T must be capital, true or false, T and F capital. 7 in single quote is a dash literal, character literal, because there is single quote. 123 is a dash literal, integer literal. Integer literal is the whole number. There must not be any decimal point. 1.5 is a dash literal, float literal. This is character literal, single quote. This is integer literal. This is float literal or real literal. In float or real literal, there must be decimal point. Dash function is used to display data. Print function is used to display data. Print here 1 means it will print 1. If we print in double quote hello, it will print display hello. So print function is used to display data. None is a dash literal, special literal. 40 questions about. Now this is valid invalid variable name. You have to find whether it is valid or invalid variable name. This is variable name, valid or invalid. This is a underscore 123. This is 1 ABC. This is a name or something without space. This is dollar symbol. Here is space. Here I capital. Here I small. Here true in small letter. Here A space B. This is print. Tell me what is this is your valid. Which one is valid and which one is invalid? Here. This one, valid or invalid? underscore is given, so this is your valid, because underscore variable name can contain underscore, dollar and digits alphabet. This is invalid. Why invalid? Because there is digit. First letter cannot be a digit. So this is your invalid. Next, this one valid or invalid. This is there is no space. We can write any length of variable name, can be any length without space. So this is your valid. This is dollar symbol at the last, valid. We can write dollar symbol also. There is a space, so this is not valid. If I capital, so this is not valid. I must be small. If is your I capital, so we can take as variable name, but small I is invalid. Why invalid? Because this is your keyword. This is your keyword, so we cannot take it as variable name. Keyword cannot be a variable name. True is valid, but capital true is invalid. अगर कैपिटल ट्रू लिखोगे तो वेरिएबल नेम नहीं लिख सकते, क्योंकि वो कीवर्ड हो जाएगा. लेकिन यहाँ पे टी स्मॉल है तो ये वेरिएबल नेम हो सकता है. और यहाँ पे स्पेस है, ए स्पेस बी, तो इनवैलिड हो गया. प्रिंट भी इनवैलिड हो गया. तो वेरिएबल नेम यहाँ पे ट्रू नहीं हो सकता है, इनवैलिड. देन दिस इज इनवैलिड. 5 space, so invalid. Then 7 if keyword, invalid. Then 9 space, so invalid. 10 print keyword, so invalid. Next. Write the symbols for the following: comment, integer division, fractional division, remainder, not equal to, assignment operator, boolean literal, multiplication, logical not. For comment, hashtag is used. Integer division, float, this is known as float division, double forward slash is used. Here see 3 float division 2 equal to only 1. 3 को अगर 2 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 1 ओनली क्वेश्चन पार्ट, बट 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इक्वल टू 1.5. ये डेसिमल लेगा और यहाँ पे सिर्फ इंटीजर पार्ट ही आएगा फ्लोट डिवीजन में. रिमाइंडर, अगर 3 को 2 से डिवाइड करते हो तो और एक लेते हैं. यहाँ पे देखो 5 divided by 2. 2 2 ja 4. 5 minus 4 1. So this is your 5 float division 2. 5 float division 2 is this was 2. This one remainder, this is 5 modulus 2 means remainder. 5 modulus 2 is 1 remainder. और यहाँ पे 5 divided by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1, then point, this is 10, 2 5 ja 10. Now 2.5, this is your 5 only single forward slash 2. This is single forward slash, this is double forward slash, this is remainder. Now next. Not equal to symbol is this one. Exclamation mark, then equal. Equal to double equal. Assignment operator is equal. Boolean literal true or false. Multiplication STC symbol. Logical not. Next one. Lesson 1. Computer network bit 7th class ICSE. These are the computer network questions. Write your answer, pause the video and write your answer, then come to the solution part. These are 11 to 28 questions. Write your answer, pause the video and write your answer. Then 22 to 39 questions. This is 22 to 39 questions. Now come to the solution part. When communicating devices are connected to each other, then it is known as networking. When computers are connected to each other, it is known as desk network, computer network. The main purpose of the network is to dash among all the computers in the network, share data or resources. The major components of network are dash and dash, sender receiver communication channel. Dash establish the link between user and the internet service provider, modem or router. LAN stands for dash, local area network. PAN stands for dash, personal area network. Dash network is used within an individual personal space, PAN, personal area network. In dash network, 100 to 200 computers are connected in small geographical area, LAN. The network connected within a building, LAN. WLAN stands for wireless local area network. Usually dash are used to connect the multi-computer in WLAN, that is Wi-Fi router. WAN stands for wide area network. In dash network, millions of computers are connected, WAN. In dash network, computers are connected through satellite, WAN, wide area network. Dash is the example of WAN, internet. Dash network is established in many continents, WAN. LAN computers are connected through dash cable or cables. Into internet. Dash is the network of network, internet is the network of network. Dash is the global connection, internet. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. Dash provides internet connection to all the users, ISP. BSNL is an example of ISP. IP stands for Internet Protocol. Dash is the set of rules, protocol. Dash makes number of data packets before the message transfer over internet. Dash makes number of data packets. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, makes number of data packets before message transfer over internet. The address of the computer connected to the network is known as dash address, IP address. Dash is used to identify a particular computer. IP address is used to identify a particular computer. Dash is the main computer of the networking system. Server is the main computer of the networking system. The place where all the information are saved, that is your server. Dash components is typically used to connect devices in LAN switch. Dash is a common device used in PAN, Bluetooth. A dash covers small geographical area, that is LAN. A dash is a device that helps connect different devices, router. Every device connected to the internet has a unique dash address, IP address. Data is very large in size, so it is divided into small piece called packet. Bluetooth is a dash type of network, PAN, where all web pages are stored. Dash web server. Dash are responsible for connecting local network to the internet routers. The device that receives and interprets data in a network is called receiver.